Welcome back. I'm glad to see that you're still pressing on. Previously, we introduced contraflow and logic and the operators under that topic. Today, we're going to look at particularly comparison operators. Now, suppose you wanted to build an app that checks whether someone is eligible for voting. You'd want to check their ages, right? Whether they're 18 or less than 18. So if you want to know whether someone's age is equal to 18, you would use the equals operator. It is written like this. And if you want to know whether someone's age is not equal to 18, you would use the not equal operator, which is written like this. There are four more operators that we're going to use, which are the greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Soon, we shall combine these operators with some other cool operators and make something really fantastic in the next videos.